Hello students, in the last class we have studied about the conversion of binary to decimal, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, and we have also studied about how to convert a number from decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal and decimal to octal. And then after we studied about how to convert a number from binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. So now one thing we will study, that the question is how many number of bits required to represent 252 in binary. So here the question is how many number of bits required to represent the number which is given in decimal to binary. So in binary each number is represented by 0 and 1, we have already studied, and how a binary number is converted into decimal, that also we have already studied. So in this the question is the 252, this is a number and need to represent it in binary. First we will see how to convert a number 252 into binary. So we calculate we know the procedure how to convert decimal number into binary, and in that how many number of bits is required. Each number in binary we said that it's a bits. In decimal we told that it's a digit. In binary we said it as a bit. The bit is 0 or 1. 0 or 1 is known as bits. Bits is the smallest unit of a data. Bits is the smallest unit of a data. Bits means smallest unit of data. Bits means smallest units of data. So how to represent this 252? So you know the procedure. First you write the number 252 and we want to convert it into binary. So 252, so first divide it. So 1, 2 and 6. So that will left the remainder 0. Then we have 2, that will left the remainder 0. Then we have again 2, that will left the remainder 1. Then we have 2 into 15, it will left the remainder 1. Then we have 2 into 7, that will left the remainder also 1. So if you carry on like this, the answer will be again 2 into 3, that will left the remainder 1, then 1 and 1. You just know the procedure. So try to calculate. I am writing this directly. 1 1 1, then 111, then 0 0. So in order to represent 252 in decimal, how many number of bits is required? How many number of bits is required? You can calculate from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So 8 bits is needed to represent 252. So all the time no need to calculate like this in order to find the number of bits required to represent a decimal number. So there is a formula to calculate the number of bits if any number is given in decimal number system. आपको अगर एक decimal number दिया गया होगा, directly आपको बोला गया है कि how many number of bits is required to represent. Bits means in binary. Bits means in binary. How many number of bits is required to represent this number? So there is a formula, and that formula is that formula is 2 to the power n must be greater than 2 to the power n must be greater than this number 252. 252 to the n must be greater than the given number. So please remember this formula. So we will have a number given and you need to find the number of bits to represent that number. So n stands for number of bits. So in this case the number given is 252. So how to calculate? So you just know the formula, 2 to the power n must be greater than 252. So if I put n is equal to 8, so 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2, then 2 to the power 5 32, 2 to the power 6 64, 2 to the power 7 128, 2 to the power 8, that must be greater than 250. Okay? Because 2 to the power 8 means 256. So how many number of bits is required? 8 bits is required. So n is equal to 8. So in order to represent this number 252 in binary, how many number of bits required? Bits required is 8. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 number of bits is required in order to represent the number 252. Similarly, we will see one more problem. So next question is 1 0 suppose this is the number 1999 and you need to calculate the number of bits required to convert this 1999 into binary. So how to convert? So how many number of bits required? The formula is 2 to the power n must be greater than the given number. So 2 to the power n must be greater than the given number. So if I put 2 to the power 10, 2 to the power 10, you can calculate from your calculator. 2 to the power 10 means 1024. So if I put 2 to the power 11, n value 2 to the power 11, that must be greater than 199. So 2 to the power 11 means the value is 1024 into 2. So 2048. That must be, this condition is satisfied. Hence, you need n is equal to 11 number of bits in order to represent 1999 in binary. So this is very, very important. You will see its application. Suppose a decimal series is given, like decimal number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. I just want to write the corresponding binary number. I just want to write the corresponding binary number. So how to write the corresponding binary number? First you need to see the highest number which you need to convert. So here 1 to 9 in decimal, 1 to 9, 9 is the highest number given here. In this case 9 is the highest number. So how many number of bits you need to represent this 9? So you know 2 to the power n must be greater than 9. 2 to the power n must be greater than 9. So 2 to the power n must be greater than means 2 to the power 1, that is 2. 2 is not greater than 9, this condition not satisfied. Then we can put 2 square. 4 greater than 9, not satisfied. 2 to the power 3 greater than 9, not satisfied because 2 to the power 3 means 8. So what I put? 2 to the power 4, minimum number. The minimum number of bits which satisfy this condition. So minimum means 2 to the power 4. You can say, sir, 2 to the power 5 is also, but I want the minimum number of bits to represent all these data. So 2 to the power 4 greater than 9. So how many number of bits is required? N is equal to 4. So accordingly I can write each number by using 4 bits. Each number by using 4 bits. Then how I can write this? Here I know that number of bits is required is 4. So now I am going to represent all the number by using 4 bits. अब मैं क्या करूँगा कि सारे नंबर को 4 बिट्स में रिप्रेजेंट करूँगा. सो हाउ टू राइट 1 मीन्स 0 0 0 1. देन हाउ टू राइट 2 0 0 1 0. हाउ टू राइट 3 0 0 1 1. जस्ट प्लस 1 0 1 0 0. How to write 5 0 1 0 1. How to write 6 0 1 1 0. How to write 7 0 triple 1. How to write 8 1 0 0 0. Then how to write 9 1 0 0 1. So obviously, because in order to represent 9, at least 4 bits are required, and then you will obviously represent each number by using 4 bits. Just we will see the addition, binary number of addition. Just how you get 1 to 2. Each number you add plus 1. In decimal, 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, then 3 plus 1 4. Similarly here 0 0 0 0 1 1 plus 1 means 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 here. In binary 11 plus 1 100, then 101, then 110, then 111, then 1000, then 1001. So we will see. So this is the basic formula you need to remember, that is 2 to the power n must be greater than the given number in order to find the number of bits required to represent a binary number. Number of bits required to represent a binary number. Now we will see binary addition. So before that I will solve one more problem. Suppose a given number is 101.11 in binary, and you need to find its corresponding decimal number. 101.112, this number given in binary, and I would like to find its corresponding decimal number. So how to find? Yesterday I told you about how to convert a binary to decimal. Its positional weight is 2 to the power 0, its positional weight is 2 to the power 1, its positional weight is 2 to the power 2. After the decimal, after the point, the fraction we write 2 to the power minus 1, and this positional weight is 2 to the power minus 2. From left to right the power is increasing, from right to left the power is decreasing. 2 to the power 0, after the point the power is, the positional weight is 2 to the power minus 1. Thereafter the positional weight is 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2. This means 1 by 2 or 0.5. 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 2 square. We have already studied in math in power, mathematical power. So how to write? Just 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. So how to write this? So 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 into 1. 2 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means 0.5. This is 0.5 plus 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 you can convert it into 0.25. So finally add this number 4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 7.5 plus 0.25, that means 0.75. Here 0.50. So just carefully observe here, this 7.75 is the corresponding decimal number. How we are going to convert this number from this given number binary to decimal? If after the point the positional weight, remember 2 to the power minus 1, then 2 to the power minus 2, then thereafter 2 to the power minus 3, and so on. So I will solve one more problem on this so that we will have a more clarity. to convert a given number into decimal. So given number is 1111.101. So this number is given in binary and I would like to find its corresponding decimal number. Then how to convert this number? So 1 into 2 to the power 3, directly I am writing, plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power minus 3. 2 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 8. So this is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.1 by 8. 1 by 8 if you divide, the answer will be 0.1 by 4. That means 1 by 8 is 0.5 and 0. 1 by 8 you just calculate, that will come out 0.175 by using your calculator. So 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, this is 15 plus 0.5 plus 0.175, that will give you 0.675. So answer will be 15.675 in decimal. So if at all a question comes in your examination, in semester examination, they will give you this type of number in a mixed number, that is your mixed number. After the point you need to calculate carefully and use your calculator for your calculation purpose. The positional weight of this number is 2 to the power minus 1, this number is 2 to the power minus 2 and this number is 2 to the power minus 3, and if at all any other number given in the right side, then that position weight is 2 to the power minus 4 and so on. So this is the way you need to convert a mixed number into decimal number. So now we will see the binary addition, how to add two binary number. First of all we see binary addition. First of all we will see how we are adding two decimal number. So for example, given a number 37 and 47, these two number are given in decimal. Decimal means base 10. So how you are adding this number? 7 plus 7, addition means 7 plus 7, that is 7 plus 7. How you are adding? 14. 7 plus 7 means 14. 4 and you are taking common as 1. Then after that this 1 is added with this corresponding left side number, 4 plus 3 and the remaining one, that is 8. So decimal is giving you 84. This is the way you are adding. Similarly, how to add a binary number? We will see that. So suppose two given number is given in binary number system. You need the addition of 101 base 2 plus 110. So these two numbers are given in binary number system. How I can say this is a binary number? Because here the base is 2. So how to add? 101 110. So 101 means 1 plus 0. So obviously remember 1 plus 0. Here addition, plus means not OR gate, plus means here addition. So 1 plus 0 means 1, 0 plus 1, 1 and 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, remember 1 plus 1 here is 10. 1 plus 1 is 10. Remember here binary 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 plus 1 binary 11. 11 plus 1 is 100. This you need to remember. We will see how this is coming. So the answer will be 1011. If I add these two number 101 plus 110, the answer will be 1011. One more example we will see how to add 111 plus 10 111 added with 111. Then how to add? Remember 1 plus 1. Here 1 plus 1 means that doesn't mean 2. In binary 1 plus 1 means 10. So keep 0 and take 1 common, and that 1 will be added here. So 1 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11. So 11 means keep 1 and take away 1 common. Then again 1 plus 1 10, and that 1 will be added, answer will be 11. Answer will be 11. So 1110. This is the answer. 1110 will be the answer. Okay. In decimal 1 plus 1 means 2. In binary 1 plus 1 is 10. In decimal 9 plus 1 is 10. But here 1 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 10. So 10 plus 1 11. After 11 there is no 12 is present. 11 plus 1 gives you 100. 11 plus 1 that give you 1 plus 1 10, 0 and take 1 common. Then here 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 10. Then again if I add 100 with 101. So how I can add 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 again 10. So is this is the way to add two binary number. So remember 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 100, 11 plus 1 is 100. How? 11 plus 1 is 100. How? 1 plus 1 means 10, 10, keep 0 and take 1 common, and that 1 is added with this one. This is the 100. 1 plus 1 is 10. So this is very, very important. You need to remember 1 plus 1 in binary is not 2. 1 plus 1 is 10. So I am going to give you homework question of binary addition. Binary addition, that is 1111 base 2 plus 101. 1111 base 2 plus 101. You just need to find the binary addition. And second question is 1000 plus 111. Just try to find the solution of this binary addition. Thank you. Next class we will see the subtraction, division and multiplication of binary number. Why we are studying this binary number? Because in digital every number is in all the digital devices like your mobile phone, your computer, laptop, any digital devices we are using that understand only binary. So thank you.